play for each other, play fast, play hard.
Rain, snow, sleet, sun, all we do is eat. It don't matter. All we do is eat. Hey, how you doing? You look great. Yeah, you doing good? Yeah, good to see you. Yeah.
It's got to be intense. It's got to be right. Intense and right. You follow me?
Got to be good communicators. Get that signal out, man. Everybody knows what's up.
Hey, man, what we want to break on Hokies on 3, man, because that's what we represent. 1, 2, 3, Hokies.
He's going to throw, or try to. He can't have got in there, crunched him. Ball floats up in the air and is picked off by Mook Reynolds. Turn, give to Trey Edmonds, rushing straight forward. He's in. Touchdown. Hokies. Tech strikes first.
Keep sending the tone. Let's get the offensive ball back, bro. Let's get the offensive ball back.
Hairston in motion, shifting out of the backfield, looking to throw, and his pass is picked off. Pass is intercepted by Stroman.
Blake Kemp's pass is intercepted by number 3, Greg Stroman of the Hokies.
Shotgun snap taken at the chest. Motley throwing middle of the end zone, and it is caught. Ryan Malik, touchdown.
Hey, Malik, good catch, sir. Good catch. Keep your hands up, man. Hey, keep your hands up, man. Keep your...
High shotgun snap pulled in by Motley. He'll rush it on the quarterback keep right up the middle. Nobody there. Touchdown, Hokies.
Let's go. Come on. Back in the game. Back in the game. I love you.
It's more so than ever. It's all about that guy next to you. It's all about the guy next to you. All right?